Super-Earths with extreme gravity. Some exoplanets known as super-Earths have masses much larger than Earth's, resulting in significantly higher surface gravity. Standing on the surface of a super-Earth would feel like having a heavy weight pressing down on you. In Cappadocia, Turkey, lies the ancient underground city of Derinkuyu, an impressive subterranean complex carved out of soft volcanic rock. This expansive city was built by early Christians to escape persecution and invasions. Approximately 18 to 35% of people experience a peculiar reaction known as Photic Sneeze Reflex. When exposed to bright light, such as stepping outside into the sunlight, they may involuntarily sneeze.